In this video we're going to show you how to adjust the spacing between your tamping plate and your dosing disc. So over on this one you can see, if I put my feeler gauge in there, it's about 3/1000ths of an inch. You can adjust this depending on what product you're running and what your needs are. But that's usually what we'll ship machines with as for the spacing. Now to adjust it, you've got your adjustment jacks here. There's 5 of them around the sides. There's a set screw here, a lock nut, and an adjustment nut. In some newer models you won't have to even loosen the set screw when you're adjusting it. Older ones you might. The idea of that is just to prevent the jack from spinning, so just be aware of that. And on the bottom here, depending on your model, you might be able to twist this by hand. Once the lock nut is loosened, you might need 2 wrenches to be able to adjust this. It just kind of varies. So to do this, we will typically use 3 feeler gauges, put 1 here in the center and then 1 on the far sides. While we're doing this, get your wrench, you can loosen your lock nut here, then you adjust, feel out your spacing, tighten these back up. Now while you're doing this, if you get the height right and then your lock nut is loose and you tighten it up, it can push the jack up a little bit higher and reduce your space, so you don't have enough space. So keep in mind that once this is tight, that's when your space needs to be good. You might need to, it might take a little finesse and redoing it a couple of times to make sure that it's okay, but trial and error, you'll be able to get it adjusted to where it needs to be.